Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Your English teacher Miss Hiba here. Today we are going to talk about nouns. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing, or we also call it naming word. In person we can write girl, teacher, police officer. In place we can write school, store, beach. In thing we can write car, house, pencil, and in animal we can write dog, tiger, butterfly. Can you name some nouns in this picture? In this picture, girl and boy are named. Park is the place. Dog, birds are animal. Slide, ball, tab are things. I hope you understand the noun. Now it's time to solve the worksheet. Look for the underlined noun in each sentence. Tell if the noun is a person, place or thing. Sentence number 1. The store is open on Sunday. The underlined word store is a place. Write the place in the given dash. Now in your notebook you have to fill your index first. Write number 1 over here. In serial number write today's date, whatever date is today. Then write the topic name, which is noun. And we are solving worksheet today, so write worksheet over here. Then make a title page of final term over first page. After making final term title page, write the date on the next page in today's topic heading noun, worksheet and classwork in the corner. Then write the question from the worksheet in your notebook properly. Your letters should be on line and give proper space between every word. Then write the sentence number 1 properly and write the answer in the next line, which is the store is open on Sunday, and the answer is the store is place. So write the place on the next line. So you have to do your complete worksheet in your notebook like this properly. So I hope you understand today's topic and complete your work. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.